Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get unbanned on Roblox. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. Firstly, if you've got your account permanently deleted because of a ban, or if you're just banned, I'm going to walk you through both. If you're permanently deleted, you'll have 30 days to, appeal your case, submit a form before it's actually permanently deleted. So they give you that 30-day grace period just in case your account was deleted and it wasn't your fault or there was a misunderstanding. So you'll have that 30 days. If it passes that 30 days, then it's going to be permanently banned or permanently deleted. If you just get a ban, it usually states when you're logging in how long your ban is. For this example, it's banned for 3 days, but it could be banned for 1 day or 30 days. It doesn't matter. That's what it's going to state. So either your options are to wait those days until you're unbanned, or to appeal your case if you think that this was made a mistake, that you didn't violate any kind of terms or anything like that. You can go ahead and either just click on that support form button right here, or you can just follow my steps next and I'll show you how to get to that support form. But basically, people get banned because they violate the terms of Roblox. They say something violent, they're cussing, they're, just messing around with people or trying to hack different accounts. Anything like that will get you banned. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get to that support form if you don't have the link right here. If I get out of here and I go to Safari and I type in Roblox support form, it's going to be one of the first options here. Go ahead and click on that. From there, this is how you get direct contact with Roblox. We're going to go ahead and fill out all this information. First, last name, your email, confirmation of your email, your username of the account. It will say what device, you want device details, what device are you having trouble on. Go ahead and put that in. Go ahead and put the type of category. We're going to do hacked or can't log in. And then go ahead and hit done. And then you're going to go ahead and give a description, basically appeal your case in the most polite way possible with as many details as possible, explaining why you were banned, how it was a miscommunication, how you didn't violate the terms, how just tell them exactly what happened, and then they will get back to you after you hit submit within 48 hours, and then you guys can start that dialogue and get your account back. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.